lovelies, welcome to our channel. I'm so happy that I'm finally doing this after so many failed attempts, after so many procrastination. I'm finally doing this. Okay, actually I have 3 names. You can call me Joy, you can call me Princess, or you can call me Chiamaka, and I'm so excited to finally share my family journey with you. But before I proceed, I'm about to introduce the only person active for today. Say hi to my adorable little boy. His name is baby Owen. Owen, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. We are a loving family of 4 living in Lagos State, Nigeria, and we are Igbo. Actually, I'm from Enugu State and my husband is from Abia State. So if you're from Enugu, say hi to me, and if you're from Abia, say hello to my husband. Okay guys, I'm a makeup artist, but let me be honest with you, ever since I gave birth last year, or ever since I took in last year, I stopped my makeup. Like, I ventured into another business. So, but I am trying to fit in. I'm a makeup artist, you can patronize me, and my husband is a businessman. Now back to our kids. You know, as a little family of 4, I'll have to tell you how. Okay, I have a baby whom I introduced earlier on. He's Owen, and we had him December last year, 2023. And the last person I will have to bring her to the picture, yes, because she's a part of our family. She's just like a little sister to me. She's my girl. She is staying with me from my maternal side, and her name is Hope. Yes, so our little cute family name is the DK's family. Claro. See, in this family, everybody have their own. Like, when I say everybody have their own for their body, especially my little boy. Like, I can't just wait to share his adventures with you. There are too many. I can't even count them. I can't even record them. They are numerous. So be expecting to see a lot. Like, when I say a lot, from this channel. So on this channel, be expecting to see some vlogs. Yes, I'm not gonna say daily vlog. Yes, and please, we are just bringing out our real self. Yes, I don't have all that big camera. I don't have pleasing environment. I don't have like all this aesthetic vlog. You know what I'm talking about? Rich man vlog, expensive kind of vlog. No, we are just bringing up ourselves to show you. We'll be giving you things real, like how they are happenings in Nigeria. Like, I'll be taking you along to market, especially this my December market vlog. Just wait, that I think that is the next thing you're going to see on this channel. So I'm going to be taking you along with every single thing we do here. Real, yeah. No much editing, no much cut, yes. So I'll be giving you guys some parenting tips, yes, because you know my baby is still small. I'll start giving him some parenting tips, which you will also learn on this channel. And lastly, some cooking recipes that my family loves a lot. If you are a married woman, in fact, if you're a single girl or you are in a relationship, come closer. Yes, there's this easy and simple cooking recipe that turns my husband on. Like, my husband loves it so much. I'll be bringing it here. His favorite dish, how I prepare it, every single thing. Like, overload. I'll be bringing every damn single thing here for us. I will also be sharing with you our favorite activities, our playtimes, our the games my little boy loves. Like, every single thing. My little boy is a case. You will see. As a family, we believe so much in love, positivity and kindness. So I hope this channel inspires and motivates you a lot. And you that is out there, if you're planning on starting up a YouTube channel and you've not started, learn from me. Like you know, for how long I procrastinated this intro video. I'm so happy that finally I have the courage, that finally I do it. And secondly, I will not forget, I have another channel that you can also check me out there. I give tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you're coming across this video and you're looking for tips to grow your channel, you can check this channel out. I give you tips to grow anything and all it takes. I give it to you bass boss on this channel. So if you watched this point and you love what you see, kindly subscribe, because subscribe, hit that notification bell so that each time we bring good news, like support us, so that each time we bring good news, you'll be the first person to get notified. Bye. I'm so happy that I did it. I did this intro video. So YouTube, do your work. You that is watching me, do your work. Help us to push this video far. Yes, help us. So see you in our next video, in fact our next vlog. See you.